Baby, I love you. Baby, I baby, baby, I love you. Baby, I love you. Baby,
Even seconds flat. Just tell me where you at. Everywhere you wanna go. I've been there before. That means you don't need to know. No one will ever know. No one will have to know.
Yeah, I'm going crazy trying to write down a metaphor, trying to find a meaning in life and why I'm metaphor. Yo, I'm drowning in love, need to get ashore, trying to tell you how I feel with words I never said before. We both got a past, something that we can't change. I'm trying to slow it down, lately it's been fast paced. I'm trying to be mature, tell you in the right way. Another heartbreak is something that I can't take.
baby, I love you. Baby, 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 I love you. Baby, I love you.
Give me a second chance. Just let go of the past. We've been through the high and low. See the ebb and flow. That means we don't need to know. No one will ever know. No one will have to know.
Yeah, a happy life to get a picture me that. You don't wanna borrow this, so I just stick 'em in raps. Listen, who would've picked it? Me to go the distance, really never felt it before. I'm addicted. You getting mad cause I ain't acting the same. And I'm sorry that my job involves catching a plane, but I'm working hard to start lapping these lames and to free all the demons that are trapped in my brain, yeah. This love ain't as strong as it ought to be, cause I'm out here feeling like I'm ordinary. Why you gotta talk down when you talk to me? Is being heartless the only thing that you're taught to be? I guess this is like leaves in the fall, cause there's one thing I know, you're gonna leave when I fall. You needed love, I guess I needed it more, but why you want my love now? You ain't need it before.